Hello, this is the video for Unit 6, Day 3, where we are multiplying fractions using a diagram. Before we get started, today's video is dedicated to Saul in 6B. Yo, Saul. Alright, let's look at what we have here. 2/3 of 3/5. Anytime that we're multiplying two fractions, I want you to think of it as we have a portion of something and then we're taking a smaller portion of that portion. Here's what I mean. So 2/3 of 3/5. So 3/5 is the part that we're starting with. So if I drew that out, it would look something like this, right? I would have a rectangle and then I would split it into fives. Right, into 5 sections. And then of those 5 sections, I have 3/5. So I would shade in 3/5. Right, that's 3/5 right there. And you can see I've already labeled it 3/5, which is this segment right here. Now of this section right here, right, this shaded in section, this 3/5, we want to take 2/3 of this. And the way that I can do that is, if I originally drew my lines going sideways like this, I want to next draw my lines going vertically to split it into thirds. So if I drew it into thirds, it's a little bit hard to see. Let me switch colors here. Maybe purple's the way to go. Here, that's better. Right now I'm splitting it into thirds, and I draw the lines going the other way just so it's clearer. Right, and of the 3/5, I want 2/3. So I have 1/3 here, a second third here, and a third on right there. So I'll start shading it in. Right, that's 1/3. 2/3 is this much. And then see, I've already labeled it. 2/3 is this section right here. And so what my final answer is, I had 3/5, which was the green section, and then I took 2/3 of that, which is now this purple section. This purple section is what I'm left with. I count how many sections there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sections. And then I count how many total sections have I split the block into. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 sections in this total block. So it's 6 out of 15. Then I check, can I simplify this fraction? Yes, I can. Is there a number that I can divide into 6 that I can also divide into 15? Yep, that's 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. And 15 divided by 3 is 5. So my final simplified fraction is 2/5. Now I want you to try part B on your own. And when you're finished, you can check your answer. So go ahead and pause the video now and try part B on your own. Okay, now you are continuing the video after you've tried part B. Let's check our answer. 3/4 of 4/5. So 4/5 is the fraction segment that we're starting off with. So let's draw that out right now. And I'm first going to draw my lines going vertically. Actually, let's do horizontally. If you did yours vertically, that's fine too. So 4/5. Split it into 5 sections here. And it's 4/5, so we'll shade in 4 of them. 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5. Here, that's 4/5. Next, of the 4/5, we want 3/4 of it. So this segment right here, 3/4 of that. So we have to split it into fourths. I'll draw my fourth lines going vertically. Okay, so now it's split into fourths. And of those fourths, I want 3/4. So 1/4 is here. This is all 1/4. 2/4 is here. And then 3/4 is right here. Right, so that's 3/4 right there. Now, I count it all up. I have the fully shaded sections 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Out of a total of, there was 12 here, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 12 out of 20 is what I'm left with when I take 3/4 of 4/5. I check, can I simplify this fraction? Is there a number that I can divide into 12 that I can also divide into 20? Yes, I can divide both of these numbers by 4. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. 20 divided by 4 is 5. So 3/5 is my final answer. Now, I want you to try the rest of this page on your own. Go for it.